That makes sense. Let's talk about the alpha male and the alpha female. This note is about energy. We all possess both masculine and feminine energies. However, I will refer to the female as feminine and the male as masculine to better drive this point home. The alpha male is a domineering energy in which the masculine operates as the leader of the pack. The masculine is considered intelligent, powerful, and successful. Likewise, the alpha female possesses the same traits, but is considered intimidating amongst her masculine and feminine peers. The challenge here is that alpha males are now considered toxic, but there's nothing toxic about being intelligent, powerful, and successful. The issue here isn't the masculine being alpha, but the masculine being unhealed. Those are not the same things. Some feminines will be turned off by a masculine that identifies as an alpha male, but will want a masculine that will defend her against others. Who's doing that? A beta male? While there is nothing wrong with being a beta masculine, that masculine sits more in feminine energy than masculine energy. That energy is more nurturing and helpful. All traits of feminine energy, this masculine energy is not dominant. The alpha male protects. That is an individual that exudes power. He also provides. This is yin-yang energy. You can't have that frequency with two dominant energies or two passive energies. These energies exist in polarity and are meant to be contrasting and not the same. That's how you get balance. A masculine in his power and alpha male exists in the energy of doing, and the feminine exists in the energy of being. The masculine stature and existence in doing makes the female feel feminine, and her nurturing qualities remind him of his masculinity. The female wanting to fill the feminine energy role in the relationship, attempting to be alpha, is truly the issue here. Yes, I said that, and I once considered myself an alpha female too. But the feminine must be willing to put down her sword for her masculine. The key word here is her. The reason we struggle with this concept is that so many of us are not with a masculine we share a vibrational frequency with, so we won't submit to them. You don't trust that man to make decisions for you or even trust his opinion. So his alpha energy actually turns you off. So instead you lead as the alpha female, sitting in masculine energy, requiring that masculine to shift from alpha to beta. And you expect him to be comfortable with you making all of the decisions for him. Two issues are unfolding here. An alpha female will only submit to one masculine. So instead of requiring men to move from alpha to beta, we need to be honest with ourselves about the men that we are choosing. If you won't submit to him, you're with the wrong man. And men need to do the work to heal from their traumas so that they're not claiming toxic behaviors as traits of an alpha male. In another note, we should talk about what it means to submit to your masculine and what submission is not. If you understand feminine allure, submitting to your masculine wouldn't be an issue because you actually have more power approaching your masculine while you are in feminine energy than you would in masculine energy. Masculine energy actually craves the nurturing energy from the feminine. In the same way, the feminine appreciates the power the alpha male exudes. Be honest and ask yourself, am I with a partner I trust and respect across all levels? If you don't trust and respect the person you are with, the issue isn't just their energy, it's also your inability to discern what's right for you and your inability to choose yourself. Our processing have become so distorted about what we should look for in relationships. We require our partners to fill traditional duties while we claim modern lifestyles, and we're confused about why our relationships are not working out. Friends, our relationships are out of balance. Yin-yang energy represents duality. In relationships, it is balanced feminine, masculine energy. Love and light, friends.